All right, what's going on, my friends? In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your cabin air filter for your Honda CR-V. It's really easy, just follow along. First, I'm going to show you two different cabin air filters in case you want to pick one or the other. This one I bought is for my Honda CR-V, and I bought this cabin air filter. It's for my Toyota Tundra. So I cannot promise you that they're going to be exactly like this, but all I know is this Fram one I bought seems a lot nicer than this one, and I'm going to show you that. All right, this is the Fram one. It just seems like a lot nicer filter. I don't know if you would buy Fram for your Honda CR-V, it wouldn't look like this. This one just seems a lot flimsier. But just thought I'd show you that because I bought two different ones for my truck and one for my car. So I'll put these down in the description. For the Honda CR-V, I will put a Fram and a Bosch. You can read up on it, see what people think. And you may also be able to just go to like a Walmart and buy this Fram one. I don't know if they sell Bosch at Walmart. I'll put that down in the description and maybe in my first comment. Let me show you how to put this in. It's real simple. All right, first thing you have to do is go on your passenger side and open up your glove box. And you may want to take the stuff that's in your glove box out so it doesn't all fall out. So let me get this out quick. Then your next step will be, there is a little, I guess, little dampener they call it. I don't know. It just stops the drawer from falling out. I don't think it dampens anything, but it's right here. You just take that and push it forward. And then that'll pop off like that. Then, now we're going to push in on the right side and then on the left side. And this glove box should drop right down. Real simple. Then, right up in here, this is where your filter goes. And there's an arrow right here pointing down. That's the way the air flows. So you're going to have to look at your new filter and see which way that arrow is going to have to go. We're going to push the tab in over here on the tab here on the right and the tab in on the left. Just take this little door off and you can pull out your old filter. Holy mother. Now here on my new filter, here on the one side it has the airflow is going down, so I'm going to match it up with that one. Oh, don't go in that way. Just like that. Then you're going to take your the little door and put it back in. Clip it on the right, clip it on the left. And take your glove box, clip it back up into place. And you can take your little dampener thing here, just pull that forward and it'll clip right back in place. All right, well, I hope that helped you change out your cabin air filter. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and hit that subscribe button to help support my channel. Or you can check out one of my nice God Bless America t-shirts down below. God bless and have a great day.